Speaker Sir, the House unanimously resolves to urge the government that in the interest of promoting football at the local level, the government relax, simplify and expedite the procedures and processes for renewal of registered societies of over 60 football associations who have been given a deadline of up to August 2024 to renew their registrations or else face derecognition, and also to expedite the registration of new football associations that are pending with the Registrar of Societies.
The resolution is before the House.
Speaker Sir, I stand before you to address a matter of significant concern that threatens the fabric of our beloved state. Football म्हणतो आमचो state sport, आणि गोंयांत 60 football clubs are facing the grim prospect of derecognition by the Goa Football Association due to challenges in complying with the Societies Registration Act 1860. Speaker Sir, हे फक्त क्लबांकूच threaten जायना, पण football community जी एक vibrant आसा, which is the source of our pride and unity of our state, that is also threatened. Football, Speaker Sir, गोंयान फक्त sport न्ही, it is a way of life. And the current mandate by the Goa Football Association and the Sports Authority of Goa for all football clubs to register under the Societies Registration Act may be well intentioned, but has created substantial hurdles for many clubs. Speaker Sir, एक क्लबांक आता difficulty येता कित्याक ते extensive documentation आसा आनी ताजे खातीर which includes audit details, election records, minutes of annual general body meetings. So हे जर सगळें पळयलें जाल्यार खूब क्लबांनी they have expressed their frustration over delay and technical scrutiny by the registrar of societies. Anik कोंत अशें की 65 clubs are facing derecognition and they will be unable to organize tournaments or hire referees affiliated with the GFA, thereby threatening their existence. Speaker Sir, GFA President and statement काढला की football clubs failing to register will face problems. We are urging football clubs to register. There is no deadline. We have requested everyone that all clubs who are associated with the All India Football Federation and GFA should register under the Societies Registration Act and Sports Authority of Goa. This is compulsory. Speaker, the gravity of this mandate is clear. 3 महिन्याचे extension दिला आसतलें, no fixed deadline had been announced, but clubs are in uncertainty.
GFA दिला मरे ते. GFA दिला Goa Football Association आणि सांगला.
आणि Sports Authority. So government आता, I think the law minister is also aware 40 club ताका मेळिल्ले हा या पेपरार हांवें वाचला. Let me complete. Speaker Sir, तांणी मेमोरेंडम लॉ मिनिस्टराकूय दिला. हांवें पेपरार वाचिल्लें आहा. GFA कडेन 180 क्लब आहात आनी तातूंत एक 20 सुमार टेम्पररी स्टेटसाचे आहा, पूण हे एफेक्ट दोगांकूय परमनंट आनी टेम्पररी लोकांक एफेक्ट जाता. स्पीकर सर, फुटबॉलाक गोंयान व्हडली लेगसी आहा and we should not allow it to be jeopardized. So the measures like एक special assistance cell, म्हळ्यार registrar of societies and एक assistance cell करचे, which is dedicated to helping them in the registration and renewal. एक temporary relaxation of stringent documentation हे जावचें, awareness and training programs जावचो, extension of deadline officially extend करची, आणि सरकाराचे डायरेक्ट इंटरव्हेन्शन आसचें म्हणून हांवें हो हांगा हाडिल्लो आहा. स्पीकर सर, गोंयान फुटबॉल क्लब म्हणटी दे आर नॉट जस्ट इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स, दे आर द हार्टबीट ऑफ अवर कम्युनिटीज. स्पीकर सर, म्हजे कडेन अशें हें आहा की GFA जे आहा, GFAनूच पयलीं आपलें रिन्यू करूं ना. फ्रॉम 1970 till 2018 they themselves had not renewed their registration. So how can they give deadlines to their members? This is a common man's issue. So, तांकां अशें दिसता की do they have the powers to give us deadlines when they themselves have not this thing. So, Speaker Sir, football म्हणटा तें म्हाका दिसता फुटबॉलाक तुमी भर दिवंक जाय. हांव म्हणना तुमी दिना म्हणून, पूण भर दिवंक जाय आनी गोवा these football clubs are the nurseries by which you can get talent. आनी club derecognition म्हणटा एक fear आहा. Sports Minister हांगा आसा म्हणटकर social security of these football players is also important. I'm just going aside because we were discussing with the Chief Minister. Speaker sir, jobs and pension, आज जो कोण फुटबॉलान वता ताका दिसूंक जाय की बाबा आपूण फुटबॉलान वचून करतलो कितें, फुडार कितें आहा आपल्याक. फाल्यां जर ताका इफ यू इन्सेंटिवायज फुटबॉल देन ओनली फुटबॉल विल रिमेन अलायव्ह. हांव जाणा यू विल से दॅट आय एम डिविएटिंग.
मागीर
ना 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 पॉयंट असो आहा. हें डिविएशन कित्याक करता तें सांग तुका. पयर नॅशनल गेम्साक तुज्या मंत्र्यान सांगलें की ताणें पयशे घाल्या म्हणून एडवर्टायज करपाक नॅशनल गेम. गोंयचो स्टेट स्पोर्ट फुटबॉल क्लब आर फेसिंग डिरिकॉग्निशन. तुजो जर एक मंत्र्या कडेन इतले पयशे आहात थंय घालपाक जाल्यार फुटबॉलाचेर ते पयशे घाल म्हणटा हांव. आय डोंट मायंड दॅट यू वॉन्ट टू गिव वन क्लब. आय एम नॉट फायंडींग ताजे भितर राजकारण करपाक हांव येवंक ना हांगा. पूण एकूच तुका सांगूंक सोदता की तुमचेय पयशे फुटबॉलाक खूब देणे आहा. तुमी दिवपाचे आहा ते तुमी दिवंक ना.
तो वेगळो विशय रे.
अरे वेगळो विशय तो स्पोर्ट्साक काडटा हांव, स्पोर्ट्साक काडटलोच हांव. बट ओवरऑल फिलींग इज गोंयच्या फुटबॉलाचेर जे निश्ठेन आमी उलयतात ती आमची अस्मिताय जाता. जितलो ओपिनियन पोल तितलो फुटबॉल. सो आमचो कितें गिली दंडा हें न्ही, हो कबड्डी आमी गोंयकार फामाद न्ही. फुटबॉल इज अवर स्टेट स्पोर्ट अँड टील इट इज अवर स्टेट स्पोर्ट इट इज माय रायट टू स्पीक ऑन दीस अँड प्रेस फॉर दीस. स्पीकर सर, दर क्लब डिरिकॉग्नायज जाता म्हणून तांकां भंय दिसता आनी ते पेपरार येता आनी हांव ते रेज करचें पडटा जाल्यार समथींग इज रॉंग. इमिजिएट यू ऑल शूड हॅव गिवन असिस्टन्स टू देम. This is not a yesterday's news. This is a news I have read 2 months in the papers and then moved this resolution. This resolution just doesn't come like this overnight. It comes after a lot of thought to it also, Speaker sir. So हांव मागता की ते क्लबांक हेरेस जावचें न्ही, सरकाराचें इंटरव्हेन्शन आसचें. आतां मुखेलमंत्र्याकूय इशू समजला. So declare that you all will assist them, help them in ways that I have suggested. Thank you, Speaker.
I promise on behalf of all in this House to speak to the GFA and seek an extension to this time limit. I would request all my colleagues in this House, if there are clubs in your areas that seek renewal, please ask them to apply, and whatever support is required from the government within the stipulated rules will be given to them immediately. Let Speaker respond. Can I request the honourable member to withdraw his resolution?
माननीय आमदार विजय सरदेसाई तुम्ही विड्रॉ करतात.
मंत्र्यान सांगला की आपल्या मनान डेलिगेशन आयिल्लें. ताजे मागीर मंत्र्यान हें सांगलां की कांय एप्लिकेशनां पेंडींग ना म्हणून आपल्या मनान. मंत्र्यान ते डेलिगेशनाक कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो परतो, केल्लो बी तूं चॅक केला. मंत्र्याचें काम न्ही तें, आयिल्लें डेलिगेशन ते ताकाय वळखतात ते म्हाकाय वळखतात आनी आमी थंयचेच ते सगळे लोक.
हय रजिस्टरा कडेन कांयच एप्लिकेशन पेंडींग ना.
40 क्लबांचें एक डेलिगेशन ताका मेळ्ळें. ताणें थंय चॅक केलें. ताणें एक आन्सर अशें दिलां की आपल्या कडेन कांय पेंडींग ना. आतां जे कोण मनीस आयले ते ताजे वळखीचे, ते कांय जगा भायले न्ही. सो ताका ताणें कॉन्टॅक्ट बी केले काय म्हणून की बाबा तुमी न्हिदल्या काय तुमी.
No. I have contacted the people some of the people who came, not all the 40.
Yeah. So what they saying?
They are sleeping. What else to say?
Anyway, we'll try to awaken them. You also try to awaken them and we'll do it for the sake of football. कितें म्हणटा शाहजान, he also has to do. मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, तुवें करूंक जाय तें काम तुजें तें. हें फुटबॉल जागोवपाचें काम तुजें. स्पीकर सर, थँक्यू. तें करता हांव विड्रॉ करता.
ओके.
होय जागयतलो आमी सगळे जागोवया तांकां न्हिदल्या जाल्यार. सुदीनूय न्हिदिल्लो टाक जावपाचो.
प्रश्न